Are you editing a vlog in Lumafusion? In this video, I'm going to share with you my take on how to do a good vlog editing. Let's go. Now, with vlog, right, there's two kinds. Entertainment, or you are a information giver. Maybe the third one as well. Are you a percentage of each one? Okay, so let's find out in this video how we should edit this. Okay, so are you an entertainer or are you a educator? Divide that two and you are ready to go with your vlog. When you edit your vlog as an entertainer, make sure it's entertaining. Okay, so what could be entertaining? That is your job to find out. You have to cater to your audience. You have to cater for that. Over the years, you will develop your own audience, but are you dedicated enough to put in the time? Can you do your vlog every day? Which I don't recommend. It's a very hard way to earn your living, okay? But if you simply want to do a vlog for your own memory, do whatever you want, okay? It's your life. You can say whatever you want. Your camera, your phone right here can capture anything you want. Make sure, as long as you have good audio. Audio is half the storytelling, okay? As long as you have good audio, you're good to go, okay? The second category, okay, is what I'm doing right now, okay? I'm sharing my knowledge to you guys, okay, about video editing, mainly for my channel, video editing, camera, all that stuff, okay? It's more of an educational video. I could do a vlog like this as well, to go outside. Let's go outside, should we? Go outside and vlog about it, okay? Could be my day, goes how to set up a camera to do time lapse, for example. So with my vlog, I can add in some kind of value to the audience that watching my video. It's a better way of doing your vlog. So when you first start out on YouTube for example, nobody knows who you are. Who is this guy? Who is this girl? Nobody knows who you are, okay? How can you attract people to your channel? You have to give them value first, okay? So a vlog with a educational, informational twist to it, then people will find out. Once you have your own audience, you can vlog whatever you want. Once you've done that, when you achieve that level, people watch you because of who you are. But right now, they don't know who you are. So you have to give value to people. Value is the key word right there, okay? When you do your vlog, as an educator, that's what you have to do. Now in Lumafusion, editing wise, once you have your vlog done ready, all the shooting, make sure you put some little B-roll, okay? What is a B-roll? A B-roll is something that is, if you are a food blogger, okay? You have to shoot the food, okay, before you eat it, okay? Before you say, hey, this food tastes great, okay? You have to shoot the B-roll, okay? How a close-up of all the foods. For example, okay, if you're a food blogger, then this is the main camera, okay? You're eating, your experience eating the food, then you can have an overlay, okay? In Lumafusion, a B-cut, a B-roll on top of your main camera, then you can tell a better story. But the more you get more advanced in your editing, you know what to do. Watch a lot of my videos and you know how to do a B-cut, a B-roll, cut away, this kind of thing. That's your B-roll. So have a lot of B-rolls, okay? When you do your vlog. With vlog, you need to find your own audience. It will not take overnight. So make sure you consistently post your vlog. Otherwise, the algorithm on YouTube will not pick it up. But start with educational, informational base first. Then later on, you can introduce some entertainment. My name is Travis Chow. I'm a TimelapseNuts, okay? Did you like the time lapse that I'm shooting today? Hopefully it's good, okay? I haven't shot it yet. I'm gonna go out, okay, today to shoot it. But this is my B-roll. It's my main camera. This is everything set up already. So when I go out to shoot, that could be my B-roll. I'll see you next time in another video. Bye.